You know, sometimes I feel so big when I can tie my shoes and zip my jeans and button my shirt all by myself. That means I am
Big.
big. But sometimes I feel so little when I can't reach the button when I go to visit my friends. That means I'm
Little.
little. When I remember to bring my library book back to school because it's Tuesday, that means I'm
Small.
big. When my mom yells at me because I can't find my other sock again, that means I am
Small.
little. When I make my own breakfast before anyone else gets up, that means I'm
Big.
big. Once in a while, I wake up and my bed's wet, and that means I'm
Tiny.
little. When I help take care of my little sister, that means I'm
Big.
when I have to sit in the chair because I forgot and rode my bike out into the street, that means I'm
Little.
when somebody says, "Thank you for holding the door, Matthew. That was very thoughtful." That means I'm
Big.
yeah. And when I get lost between the bacon and the raisin bread, that means I'm little. When my dad and I talk about space, that means I'm big. When my aunt buys me bunny pajamas, that means I'm
Small.
little. But when the bunny pajamas don't come in my size, that means I'm
Big.
when I fall asleep before the hockey game is over, that means I'm
Little.
little. Then my dad lifts me up in his big arms and carries me up to bed. Mostly, I want to be big, but sometimes being little is pretty good too. Good night.
New vocabulary words. Shoes, button, socks, zipper, books, pajamas, space, sleep, bread, wet, breakfast, bike. Thank you for watching, and please, if you enjoy our content, please subscribe to our channel and share so that more people can enjoy it.